night, wasted, friends all around, faded, like we've got nothing to lose. Strangers in my sheets, wake up, rewind and repeat, but I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and I've got to know. Baby, do you ever think of when we were together on the 4th of July, underneath the fireworks sky? And I said, everything is perfect cause you're holding me. You and I together like we're supposed to be, cause you need me and I need you. That's just my point of view. That's just my point of view. Yeah. Pictures on my phone remind me that I'm on my own, and I don't know what to do. Thoughts are useless, trying to make it through this. I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and I've got to know. Baby, do you ever think of when we were together on the 4th of July, underneath the fireworks sky? And I said, everything is perfect cause you're holding me. You and I together like we're supposed to be, cause you need me and I need you. That's just my point of view. That's just my point of view. Yeah. This is the forever that's supposed to be. Everything is perfect when you're holding me, cause you need me and I need you. That's just my point of view.
Feels like I am dreaming, letting go of these demons. I just wanna know what's on your mind. There's not enough reasons, it's not like I need them. I just wanna know what's on your mind. What's on your mind? It's like 3 a.m., you're still on my mind. Let's not waste no time, just tell me how you're feeling. You still have my heart, although we've been apart. Let's go back to the start, I think we're both too brief. I see the tunnel light, it's never been so bright. I haven't lost the fight, you let me keep believing. You still give me chills, I do it for the thrill. Yeah, you still give me chills. Yeah, I feel like I can tell you anything. No white lies, compromise, just stop your angel wings. Let's continue what we do and build the trust again. You can tell me what to do. Feels like I am dreaming, letting go of these demons. I just wanna know what's on your mind. There's not enough reasons, it's not like I need them. I just wanna know what's on your mind. What's on your mind? What's on your mind? What's on your mind? Make me love and hate you at the same time. I feel like loving you is like committing a crime. How can you make me come and act just at the same time and let you take the crown? You made me nervous and I pretend that I'm just fine. I don't know why you gotta keep messing with my mind. Let me open up my heart and let you inside. My heart is jumping around. Yeah, I feel like I can tell you anything. promise, just let me arrange a way. Let's continue what we do and build the trust again. You can tell me what to do. Feels like I am dreaming, letting go of these demons. I just wanna know what's on your mind. There's not enough reason, it's not